You need to watch this if you lost money in an altcoin mining scam. It's time to fight back and recover your coins. First up, stay calm. Scammers thrive on panic. Next, gather all your evidence. Screenshots, emails, transaction IDs, everything. This will be crucial. Now, report the scam to your local authorities and file a complaint with your country's financial regulatory body. Don't skip this step. It helps create a legal trail. No luck yet? Then reach out to us at societech.com. Explain what happened and provide your evidence. With our resourceful agents, we track the scammers and recover your lost asset. Also, join our online forums and support groups. You'll find others who've gone through the same thing and can offer advice. Lastly, consider contacting us swiftly. We are the best recovery company out there and legit. Remember, you're not alone. Stay strong, follow these steps, and you might just get your coins back faster than you thought. Like and follow for more crypto tech tips.